Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings, one and all, brothers and sisters. In the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I, and all things that's good and wonderful amongst us. You know, we want to say welcome our viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel and make way. Help grow the platform. That's it. You see, today, regrettably, you know, we have to go rush at the one bounty killer. I've got to rush at bounty killer seriously today. You know, see, because you know what this bounty killer up on a campaign where you know, like I regularize a certain frame of mind and a certain individual way, you know, and practice amongst us we're not accepted nowhere else in the world. You know, see, particularly the abuse of the female them. You know, see, one thing about killer, you come like you have a little other way fetish where you keep privately and no man not know, you know. I'm sure everybody know what I talk about, you know. No man not so, you know, stubborn and tough and dirty towards the woman them. Like so the woman them a piece of material or a piece of concrete put up on the roadside or something like them attitude they have towards the female them. Me observe that in a bounty killer. A long time I hear it too, you know see it, and we don't know what kind of man in themselves behave themselves and we are there. You know see. Furthermore, we know what kind of man. Some man will have some sick, twisted secret to go on within themselves. We don't want to bring it on the forefront. We don't say you're one of them, you know. We don't business if you're one, neither, you know, if you're one. If you just come out and admit, man, and stop suck the blood of poor people and poor people back like say you're one of them or you're in tune with them. We don't just hustle like everybody else. Because we know so them foundation thing the way I do, a tax avoidance. We not stupid if you want to talk. You know see it? Don't man them come out the other day and a ball abuse and you run behind this boy, this predator boy where so much woman come out and all man come out. And I said, the boy is the way the boy is. You know, see it? The eye ground and I go on like so, well then, you alone believe otherwise and you alone with your influence I go push and normalize them type of behavior amongst people like it acceptable and things like that. A dirty boy business that bounty killer, some sadistic twist, sick mind do them thing there. You know, see it, and I saw you move, and ignorant or predominant, you stand predominant by your ground or you're loyal to your friend. You're just a dirty mind. We love them type of thing there, where your mind can process them, sort of abuse them and accept them. And that's why, because you know your friend is that way inclined. And when your friend bust a tune, your predator friend, because I not call him name on this, not for want or nothing, but I not bust no dog. You know, see it? Your predator friend bust a tune the other day and for 1 week. And 170 views the song get pan for him channel. You know see it? And now you want to release an album where you are describing and promote to the world as the best of 90s dancehall or what 90s dancehall used to be. 90s dancehall never used to entertain any farmer, female abuse and them type of thing there. 90s dancehall used to a secret. Oh no, used to abuse the female entertainer them. You know see, but out the road we never used to have that information or have that picture. You know see, we never used to observe it. We never know of it like that. So the rebellion would have been from then. You know see it, and nothing that wouldn't get around there. Nothing that would have followed Jacure and the mad boy Zebra. You know see it, because when I hear that, them things are not acceptable in a Jamaica Rasta. You know see it, and when a prominent public figure, I go accept them things and act like say it is the norm and still entertain public business affairs with the individual, the accused individual. Yeah, sure, scant regard for what poor people think, particularly the woman them, especially the people that will put you away there, the people that will proclaim every day say them you represent. You know, see it. I remember this vividly, when they come out and say Mr. Vagas was gay. See, the whole we know say a lie, The whole we know say just dancehall, card. The only thing that make it becomes the way it becomes is because Mr. Vagas take it personal and make it appear evident and open to the public, say it hurt him, so they claim hurt him. And that's why it cause a mustering from football field or from whatever. And the more you go on like the mustering affect you, the longer the mustering go on. And the same thing with Mr. Vagas. All I know is Mr. Vagas is not really inclined. Granted, he might be an eccentric character, particularly as a dancehall artist, but I not him alone stay. So I mean, you have Loving Deer. You used to have, Brian and Tony Gold, and the man are prominent dancehall acts, but them never wasn't a ghetto feature where them connected to any crew or any ghetto of such where nobody know about or publicly. You see, yet still the man are loved and respect, well revered, accomplished artists, which Vagas is as well. We're not gonna say an artist different from the person we have vlog now, You see, we might not run a line with someone and sang them, but we can't go say when name there wasn't a successful and accomplished artist because we not like him sang them. Well, a boy name from America, the big one right there, Elvis Presley. You see, we can't say he's not an accomplished artist because on a reggae him sing. He is. You see. So the same thing with Mr. Vagas. The point to me I make is when you Bounty Killer come and say Mr. Vagas is gay. Yeah, none of we never believe, but we run with it, see we and support you. You see, we never tried bring the conflict in it to find out how you hear that. Because in order for Peter King tell you that, you and Peter King have to be that way aligned as well. You see, them type of man, they not going to tell no other man them secret like that. If my cousin are probably amongst one and other people here, yes, well that's so. But you say Peter King and Vagas fall out when the two of them are trace one another and him talk it and you hear, he would have tell you that that's secret. And nobody no question how you come by that information. Because until this day, then nobody else to hear Peter King say it. Only you. You see it. And the whole way overlook that. I'm going to challenge that. Well, today we want to know how you know say Vagas sleep with Peter King, Rasta. Which part you and Peter King did that when Peter King tell you what Peter King owe you, what sort of manners and respect Peter King have for you. So that's him I go divulge him secret lover, knowing the depths of things concerning him and him practice them and practices like that in a Jamaica. Why would Peter King tell a loudmouth like you that? You know, see it? No. Remember, you use that and you condemn Vagas and you go on the most way and stereotype the youth the most way. You know, see it now. 2, 3 woman and Dr. Love come admit say your friend is a predator. And you come now, boy, you want to release the best of Kingston with your friend pan the album too in front of the woman them. Pan the national music. You come boy, you portray what dancehall was back in the day. Eh? Yeah, we know say certain predatory actions used to go on at the dancehall, but it wasn't on the front line where you're going to put it on an album now. You know, see it? When you put that on the album now, want to the people them who, regardless of where you believe in yourself, yeah? Want to the people them who feel affected by these claims. Want to the people them who are triggered by claims like these. You know, millions of them are listening to your album, You see it? And when them hear a guy like that on your thing, regardless of how the consequence or the condition or whatever was, it's a trigger for them. And all of them all get nervous and feel nasty again. You know, see it? Are you glad for the promote and propagate that out there's a big old grandfather? You see, ego will be the death of Uno. You know, see it? Suffice the stance where you take over time, never kill you for hungry, but that one you will. Because nobody else not there to stand up behind you this time, yeah. When everybody when a system turn against you. You know, see, yeah, the same woman them stand up behind you and support you through the tough times. When the other guy them, when Peter King them a fight against you and them type of thing, the Rasta. You know, see, and them I turn your back on them and I say a lie, them I tell. You know, see it. You know, see it. Whether or not a guy a friend, or whether a true or a lie, a guy, this is not the time for you take it upon your personal strength. What you owe the guy, it look like you are one of the guy a victim to, you know, bounty. We can't look at this now that way, you know. Because we're not in a head space for a bust our brain for no guy where we act shady. If you act shady, it can only be a few reasons. You know, see? And we are wonder if you are one of the abused and you get Stockholm syndrome, you know, see it and start enjoy yourself and all them things, the bounty. Because you have a pension for name called for woman abuse and see you jump up and shout it out loud the other day when the thing come on. You is in support of your friend. I lie the woman them a tell like you did dead. Like how you did dead. We can understand say you did dead and see Peter King and Vagas I do that. Because when you nobody say nothing right, you know up to that point there and question that. See, but we want to know. It look like you did dead at that time, yeah. No, with your friend. When your friend get accused of them things by the woman, them when get accused by so many women, including Jamaican women, them too. I saw them lie and wicked. You know, see it? Yeah, push this agenda, talk about you and your friend, yeah, release this with your friend and things like that. I'm strongly stand up and, you know, hope it be the end of you. Because you can't so bright. Who you think is born to killer? Eh? You can't so bright. The world a rebel. It showed the other day and stats, him own stats, want to push him out and tell him to go test the waters. What kind of mentality that? Be it lie or true. It's not the right time for the public to have anything to do with you. This issue is too sensitive. Stay out of the public sphere for a bit. I mean the people, you know, digest what go on Rasta. Right on the back of the so-called popularity. You jump and go fling out tune out there. We are going to go 174 people watch it. In the space of a week, record you make. You don't see it. And now, you born to kill a one go. What sort of potential that guy show now? What kind of record selling potential? Like, although you say, you know, do this for sell record. You do this as a example. An example of everything that's bad about us. You look like a that you do. You don't see it. Remember, your mother struggled to grow you. Your mother was a female and get you whisper she there. And wherever she there today, regardless of the stance where money make you feel like so you can take. Your mother disappointed with you. Your sister them disappointed with you. I just show you money, make them now show you say them disappointed and disgusted with you. You know see it? You know see it? This suspicious Rasta. Like something go on between you and the boy have some secret fear where, you know, come on, come talk. Wait, you know, want come on, come talk. You know, see it? Yeah, because if you take such a moral stance against Vagas, for the way of Vagas dress, yeah, because that could all be the only logical reason, unless you come admit to it's a Peter King whisper it now your ears, Rasta, why you not doing no private business. Whisper it when you're not having a pillar talk. You know, see it? Which none of we never questioned before, you know. You know, see it? Because you say, there, you say, that's where you get it from. You know, see it? And even though we don't believe and we still see it ridiculous and know, say, Vagas is not that way inclined. We still embrace you and your lunacy. You know, see it? And it come today where another man now get accused of something egregious in our community where we don't accept. We don't accept. We don't practice them things there. Unacceptable. For a man, we have so much sisters. We can't fathom the reason why and what sort of, you know, compassion you could have for a guy who is accused of doing them things, you know. You know, see, because no matter where a guy do it or not, there are points when you have to just cut ties, you know, based on the allegation too, you know. I mean, it's business. Oh, I'm going to take care of you if my business now flow. You know, see, stay over this and daily that. You know, see it, I make this go on flow and daily this over here, so. We are bridging here, I'm telling that to the world, yeah, I support you and things like that. But as far as project and public affairs is concerned, you know, just stay out of my limelight, little and why, and that's understandable. Everybody would understand that, everybody have their own brand Rasta. The thing was the same mood I want to stay out of your face. You know see, so that's my until my thing cool off. You don't want my innocent or wrongful accusation bring you down anywhere. What sort of brethren that want that? You know see, knowing the fragility of the business where, you know, as a public figure, you know see it. I am convinced, you know see it. Yes, Rasta. Like there is some secret being upheld for Bunty Killer privately, Rasta, by this guy. Me not see it no other way. A whole heap of the artist friend this guy have, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. This guy, every artist a friend see when them a yell and nobody going to turn them back on him. I don't know nobody going to do it. You know see, I'm not saying oh happen, but I don't know nobody going to do it. You know see it. But you know see none of them a come public and a different and a go on and a guy can't go tell a man say, yo, I ask you for some public support and rate. Because no man don't know what go on, Rasta. Rasta, we support in a private, you know, but general, we don't know what go on. You know, see it. Waiting, your friend are going to do a thing like that as a reggae act, an international performer, go abroad and do something like that and come back, come tell you, say, I chew, you know. Yeah, I chew them at all. Me they do it. But I fully take people find a Bunty Killer. Morality only applies when it benefits some way. You know, see it. And that's how I go with this. Me see you rear your ugly head boy, you go release tune with you and your sick friend. Remember, your friend done and you were done too. It happened before to many people, Rasta, and it will happen again. You know see it? And I steal your make out of. You know see it? And a Jamaica, you live same way. And they say you there eat your bread. And a Jamaica, the people them come from when they accept them sort of behavior there. You can't under there and propagate it and push it and normalize it. No wonder the little killer them out the road. Just willing and prepared to do anything and everything. You don't see it. You don't see it. Because you know, set the example. You don't see it. And someone will benefit off of it. Because when you get soundbite off of it, if you go up there, go chat off of it. Make lyrics off and sing about and feel full the belly while after the destruction I get to youths. You know see it? So the founder enjoy and embrace them thing there. So they're not prepared to be an example. They're not prepared to be an example. You know see it? You know see it? Because if you skull school, if somebody tell your mother say you skull school, your mother not stop until she prove you kill you or pick me. Can't just tell her say a lie. And she accept that. You know see, she have to prove that herself, Rasta. And if she check the register and she can't and she see where you're marking in the morning and can't see where you mark out at evening time, that's a reasonable suspicion, Rasta. You have more than that evidence in the case of your predator brethren, yet you still neglect them and stand in support predominantly of your male chauvinist brethren. You know see, and this not normal Bunty Killer. Me not accept this. Some fat funky game a go on between you and that guy there. Why you willing to commit? You know? Why you willing to destroy your reputation where you have left? Yeah, I close the door, I close now, and then I see it. Fix up on yourself, man. And nastiness that. Nastiness not indulge, you know. And at them neglect, you see, a butterfly ripple effect, you know. You know, see, because a parent now will look on all I want, a child, and tell the child, say, God the door go tell the neighbor, say, me not there. See, the child knows say a lie, them just go lie. Might do it and never realize about the confusion. Still sitting until them work out what them do. No, that automatically tell the child say it's alright to lie. You know, see it? Now, this not regulate the lie to being at home or not in a Rasta. You know, see it? This lie is, no, you know what I say? You've been given permission to lie about every and anything, anytime. You know, see it? So when you sit down now and wait for your friend to come back, come tell you the truth, say, yeah, yo, me never do it, I lie them at 10. And you jump and run with that and believe, keep that to yourself. That's your personal belief. You don't have them influence the out here. You know, see it? And we don't respect that we are going. And come like we are look down upon you now, but bow boy business that Bunty Killer and that we are right now the thing. You know, see it? We are right it now the thumbnail say look like Richie Stevens did abuse you too. And you under Stockholm syndrome, Rasta. You know see, this don't look normal and this not acceptable. You know see, not acceptable Rasta. Dirty boy business that. Anyway, we give thanks. Share, like and subscribe in a Rastafari name.